Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies with a focus on the incredible duo, garlic and honey. Have you ever wondered what happens when you combine these two kitchen staples? Well, you're in for a treat. We'll explore the comprehensive health benefits, share precautions, and reveal 3 delightful ways to incorporate this magical combination into your daily routine. Before we dig into the details, let's set the stage. Garlic and honey have been cherished for their medicinal properties for centuries. But what does science say about this powerful combination? Let's take a look at the research conducted by some of the most esteemed medical institutions. Now let's explore the incredible health benefits of this dynamic duo. Number 1, immune system boost. Research from various medical schools and health research agencies, including Harvard University School of Medicine and the National Institutes of Health, has indicated that both honey and garlic contain antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage and support overall immune health. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments and is well known for its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Studies, including research from Harvard University School of Medicine, have shown that honey can help soothe a sore throat and cough. It also contains phytonutrients that can support the immune system. Garlic, on the other hand, is rich in allicin, a sulfur-containing compound known for its antimicrobial and immune-enhancing properties. Research, including studies conducted by institutions like the Johns Hopkins School of Medicine, suggests that garlic can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu, and may also have a positive impact on overall immune function. Number 2, heart health. Research indicates that the combination may reduce bad cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and support cardiovascular health. Research from various reputable sources, including the National Institutes of Health and the New England Journal of Medicine, has highlighted the potential advantages of consuming garlic and honey for heart health. Here's what you need to know. Blood pressure regulation. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which may help lower blood pressure. Studies, including those from the National Institutes of Health, suggest that garlic can have a modest but beneficial impact on hypertension, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Honey, on the other hand, contains antioxidants that could also contribute to blood pressure management. Cholesterol management. Both garlic and honey have shown potential in managing cholesterol levels. Garlic may help reduce LDL cholesterol, while honey's antioxidants may help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key factor in atherosclerosis. Antioxidant properties. Honey is rich in antioxidants, which can protect your heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. These benefits are supported by research from institutions like Harvard University School of Medicine. Improved blood flow. Garlic has been suggested to improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. This effect may reduce the risk of blood clots and stroke, indirectly benefiting heart health. Lowering risk of heart disease. When combined, the anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-lowering properties of garlic and honey can potentially reduce the overall risk of heart disease. Studies have shown positive outcomes in this regard. Number 3, anti-inflammatory properties. Both garlic and honey have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown in studies by the National Institutes of Health to have anti-inflammatory effects. It may help suppress the production of inflammatory substances in the body. Some research from Harvard University School of Medicine indicates that garlic may lower levels of certain inflammatory markers in the blood. Honey possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, as suggested by research in the New England Journal of Medicine and other health publications. Its ability to reduce inflammation may be attributed to the presence of flavonoids and polyphenols, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Combining garlic and honey may potentially enhance these anti-inflammatory effects. The combination is often used in traditional medicine and home remedies to promote overall health. Number 4, digestive aid. The combination of garlic and honey can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and improve gut health. Garlic has allicin, a compound that may help to regulate gut bacteria, and honey can soothe the digestive tract. Garlic and honey both have properties that can help alleviate symptoms of conditions like gastritis and irritable bowel syndrome, reduce inflammation of the digestive tract, and also reduce oxidative stress and free radical damage. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora and prevent infections or overgrowth of harmful microorganisms. Honey may act as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. This can contribute to a healthier gut microbiome. Number 5, detoxification. Garlic and honey support liver function, aiding in the body's detoxification process. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, that have been found to support the body's natural detoxification processes. These compounds can also help the liver in breaking down toxins and promoting their elimination. Garlic's sulfur compounds can assist the liver in processing toxins, while honey's antioxidants protect the liver cells from damage. Garlic and honey can promote the efficient elimination of toxins from the digestive system. Both garlic and honey have immune-boosting properties, which can help your body fend off infections and stay healthy during detoxification. Here are 3 ways to consume the combination of garlic and honey. 1, garlic honey elixir. Crush a few garlic cloves and mix them with honey. Take a spoonful daily as a natural health tonic. 2, garlic and honey tea. Add crushed garlic to warm water with honey and lemon for a soothing tea that's perfect for colds and flu. 3, garlic honey salad dressing. Create a flavorful and healthy salad dressing by blending garlic, honey, olive oil, and your favorite herbs. In conclusion, incorporating garlic and honey into your daily routine can provide a wide range of health benefits, all supported by research from top medical institutions. It is essential to keep in mind that while there is promising research, the exact mechanisms and dosages for these benefits are not fully understood. Moreover, individual responses may vary, and excessive consumption of garlic or honey can have side effects. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare provider for individualized recommendations before using them as a treatment for any specific condition. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, and we will see you again soon.